Hello friend, how are you? Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I will solve a exponential problem. Here is given how to solve x to the power y equal to y to the power x and x equal to what and y equal to what. Here we can start to solve. Let y equal to kx. Okay, where k is constant. Okay, now we can write x to the power kx equal to kx all to the power x. Okay, now we square root of the both sides of this equation, so we can write x to the power kx equal to kx square root to the power x. Okay, we can write here kx by 2 and kx all to the power x by 2. Here we know the root equal to half and a to the power mn equal to a to the power m all to the power n and a to the power n all to the power m. So we can write here that x to the power k, and here we can write here is a x by 2 and 2 by x equal to kx all to the power x by 2 and 2 by x. We increase the power of 2 by x on both sides, so here x cancel and 2 cancel, so here 2 and x cancel. We can write x to the power k equal to kx. Okay, I divide by x in the both sides, x to the power k by x, kx by x. Here cancelled the x. Now we can write here x to the power k minus 1 equal to k. Okay, and we increase the power 1 by k minus 1, x to the power k minus 1 by k minus 1 equal to k to the power 1 by k minus 1. So here cancel k minus 1 and k minus 1. We can write k to the power 1 by k minus 1. It is the value of x. Okay, we find out, but but then y equal to kx. Here we use y equal to k, value of x into k to the power 1 by km minus 1. Okay. Now we can write y equal to k 1 plus 1 by k minus 1. We know that a to the power m and a to the power n equal to m plus n. Okay. Then we can y equal to k to the power k plus 1 minus 1 by k minus 1, cancelled, plus 1 or minus 1. So y equal to k to the power k by k minus 1. Okay. K is constant, the value of y. Here k is constant if k equal to 3, then x is 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. So x equal to 3 to the power 1 by 2. 3 to the power 1 by 2, or x equal to root 3, and y equal to, we can write the y equal to 3 to the power 3 by 3 minus 1 equal to 3 to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Here we can write y equal to 3 cube 1 by 2, or we can write root 3 power cube. Okay. To check, the given equation, x to the power y equal to y to the power x. We putting the value of x and y. The x is root 3 and y is root 3 whole cube. Okay. Here we use this x equal to root 3 and y equal to root 3 whole cube, and y equal to root 3 whole cube. Here we can use second bracket and x equal to root 3. Okay. We can write root 3 to the power root 3 all cube. It is 3 half and 3. Okay. Half and 3 equal to, here we can write root 3 into 3 to the power half. Okay. root 3 to the power 3 by 2 equal to root 3 to the power 3 plus, so here power 1 and 3 to the power half, so 3 to the power 1 plus half. Here we can write 3 to the power 3 by 2 equal to root 3 to the power, here we can write 3 by 2, so is true. Okay, it is the answer. So the x equal to we get we have take x equal to k to the power 1 by k minus 1 and y equal to k to the power k by k minus 1. Okay, bye bye. To get new update video, everybody subscribe my channel and like, comment your familiars. Okay.